Good morning, all of you. Carbonyl compounds. In this, going to discuss about aldol condensation. First, start with an example: acetaldehyde CH3, C double bond OH, acetone CH3, C double bond OCH3. And remember, functional group attached carbon is called alpha carbon, and the hydrogen atoms attached to alpha carbon are called alpha hydrogen. Functional group attached carbon are called alpha carbon. The hydrogen atoms attached to alpha carbon are called alpha hydrogen. This is the main point. In the presence of dilute sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, two molecules of an aldehyde, two molecules of a ketone having alpha hydrogen add together to give beta hydroxyaldehyde called aldol, beta hydroxy ketone called ketone. This is called aldol condensation reaction. After writing aldol, finally I write crashed aldol condensation reaction. Now I start with acetaldehyde, two molecules of acetaldehyde. One molecule of acetaldehyde CH3, C double bond OH, another molecule of acetaldehyde CH3, CHO, in presence of dilute sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Oxygen is more electronegative. It pulls the shared pair of electron towards itself. It becomes minus, carbon becomes plus. The alpha hydrogen becomes H plus, carbon becomes minus. Plus is added to minus, minus is added to plus gives CH3. Here you have one CH. This hydrogen is added to oxygen becomes OH. Minus is added to plus CH2CHO. An addition product is formed. The functional group aldehyde group attached carbon atom alpha carbon atom. This is beta carbon atom gamma. So generally this is called beta hydroxyaldehyde. Generally beta hydroxyaldehyde, beta hydroxyaldehyde, also called aldol, aldol containing aldehydic functional group and alcohol functional group called aldol. When we give numbering for IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4. How many carbon atom we have? 4 carbon atom. 4 carbon atom butane, carbon single bond N, aldehyde Al, butanal, the third carbon containing hydroxy, therefore 3 hydroxybutanal is the IUPAC name of aldol. One more reaction I am going to write to prepare beta hydroxy ketone. Our reactant is acetaldehyde. 2 carbon ethane, single bond N, aldehyde Al, ethanol. Now come to acetone. 2 molecules of acetone. 1 molecule of acetone CH3, C double bond O CH3. 1 molecule of acetone, another molecule of acetone. When you write the second molecule of acetone, separate one alpha hydrogen CH3, C double bond O CH3. The reaction takes place in presence of dilute sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide Oxygen is more electronegative. Pull the shared pair of electron towards itself, it becomes minus. Carbon becomes plus. H becomes plus. Carbon becomes minus. Add plus to minus, minus to plus. Gives the product CH3. C. Here you have one CH3. Single bond OH. This minus is added to plus. CH2. C double bond O CH3. Functional group attached carbon atom is called alpha carbon, next to carbon beta carbon. Functional group attached carbon alpha, next to carbon beta. Beta contain one OH. Therefore, the common name beta hydroxy ketone. Beta hydroxy ketone. Also called the compound containing ketone functional group and alcohol functional group called ketol. IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atom root word pende. Carbon carbon single bond N. Ketone 1. Position of ketone 2. Fourth carbon 1 hydroxy group is present. 4 hydroxy pentane 2 one is called ketone. Our reactant is acetone or 3 carbon prop, carbon carbon single bond N, ketone 1, propanone. So this is aldol condensation. In the next video, we are going to discuss about the mechanism of this aldol condensation. Then incoming video is mechanism of aldol condensation. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.